Okay, so one example I found that you chose and annotated was Mauricia became an apple. You said, I believe, not 100% sure that this is an example of passive voice. I also agree that it is an example of passive voice. And one thing that I saw that you did not mention was Gorf turned herself into an apple. Um, I think this is active voice because she's turning herself into an apple. And I also think it's kind of ironic because she was turning all of her students into apples at first, and then now she turned herself into an apple. And I think that both of these examples in this text both show the irony in this story because, as I just said, um, at the beginning she was turning all her students into apples, and then they got her back and pulled up that mirror, and she actually turned herself into an apple. So, yeah, that's what I thought of the annotations. Thanks.